Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm able to.
Okay, great. So can you please intro about yourself?
Yeah. I'm a Java developer. I want to be a full stack developer, so I'm looking for some upgrade in my skills.
Okay, so basically you're looking for Angular and Node.js, both the things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So I will share my screen.
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, I'm a full stack developer. I have knowledge in Node.js as well as Angular. Okay, so currently I'm working at Tata Consultancy Services and client Bank of America.
Okay, okay. You have deployed complete A to Z project before?
Yeah, like
And
deployment, all those things like my manager and my team leader will look after all those things, but development, all those things, like I need to take care. But my project, my personal project, like I have knowledge how to deploy everything. Yeah, so you must know, you are looking for even all those things, right? How to deploy.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. I
there
want to do
are
a
many.
simple
Yeah,
project, small
so
one.
there are many things like we have AWS cloud server, IBM cloud, GCP. Okay, Google Cloud Platform. We have Firebase. So many things. Like on which server you are looking to deploy the application?
AWS.
AWS Cloud.
Yeah.
Okay. So like it will charge you, right? So to deploy.
Yeah.
Okay. So personally, you want to learn how to deploy the application or like
No, I want to
no.
learn end-to-end coding. I just want to I
Okay.
want to get hands-on with Angular and Node.js.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. No
Sure.
issue. You will learn everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First, I will explain like everything. Okay, I will give you idea what's happening. Okay.
Okay. We need TypeScript for this, right?
Yes, yes. JavaScript. If you know JavaScript, then TypeScript, both are same. Slightly only like declaration is those things are different. That's it.
Okay.
In TypeScript, like we'll be using slightly different is it. That's it. Nothing. JavaScript, TypeScript is both are same. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh,
okay. See, like we have static websites. To build static websites, we use HTML, CSS. Okay. So like by using the static websites, like we can deploy these websites like in GitHub pages, Firebase, Heroku, okay, in those like, but you cannot
mhm.
communicate with the backend technology. Like Java is there, Node.js is there. Okay, I will show you.
Yeah.
Let's say like Java, okay, and
Mm.
Node.js, and here is database. Okay, so now, by only with HTML, CSS, you can design static website where you cannot communicate with the backend technology. Okay, so you
Mm.
must know any language like Java or Node.js. Okay, JavaScript, anything. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Node.js is just an environment. It is not a language. It is allowing you to run JavaScript code. So just if you have any doubt, like you can ask me in the middle. Node.js is not a language. It is just a JavaScript runtime environment which contains V8 engine.
Okay.
Okay. This engine is present in Google Chrome browser. And this engine is developed by like Google people. Okay. So they have developed this engine. This engine will convert your code into machine code. Like machine can understand. It is like a compiler.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this Node.js contains this V8 engine. This V8 engine Like whatever JavaScript code we write inside Node.js, okay, application, this V8 engine will take care to convert your JavaScript code into machine code, and you will get the output. Okay.
Okay.
So now like HTML, CSS, I have designed my website. Okay. Like it will be just static, content won't be changed. Everything will be static. It will be constant content. Okay. Now, if you want to design dynamic application, dynamic means like you want to change your content for time, uh, like for subsequent. Okay. And you want to communicate with backend technology. You want to get the data from the database. For all those things you want to perform, then you must learn JavaScript framework. JavaScript framework. Okay. What are
Okay.
all those JavaScript frameworks? Like we have React. Okay. We have Angular. Okay. We have Angular, React. We have Vue.js. You are familiar with this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are all our frameworks. So that like they have what they are saying, they have certain rules and regulations. If you follow those rules and regulations and concepts, then they will organize your whole application in a structured way. Okay. You
Okay.
understood, you're understanding, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So by using this Angular framework, like you can communicate directly with backend technology. And in the middle, like API, you have you have idea about API, right? Application programming interface.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this will take care to handle HTTP request. It will send the request, it will send the response. Okay. So whatever the request you're sending to backend technology, so it will take this request and it will check in database if that for that particular request the data is present in database or not. If it is there, then again it will send the response. Okay, to the backend, and from backend we are getting response from here through API. So it is same for Angular, React, Vue.js, but the concepts are different for each framework. For React, it is different for Vue and for Angular. Basically, Angular, React, both are booming in the market. So Angular, like we use for large scale applications. Okay, like we
Mm-hmm.
are using for Gmail. Gmail is best example. It is highly used, right? Gmail is there. We have Netflix is there, and we have Samsung application is there. PayPal is there. So these applications are example. Okay, Gmail,
May I quickly
Netflix.
ask which is easier to learn? Because I needed.
Yeah, like you're asking about a framework, right?
Yeah, Angular or React.
Like some people tell React will be easier to learn, okay,
Yes,
than
that's what I
Angular.
heard too.
Yeah, yeah. So, but I don't have idea about like React. I am familiar with Angular and Node.js,
Okay, okay.
both the things. Okay.
That's fine.
So,
Yeah.
like, yeah, yeah. So, up to here, any doubt?
No.
Yeah. So, Teja, like in Angular, I will 1 second. Okay. See, in Angular, like first we must know if you are selecting Angular framework, okay, then I will be teaching you folder structure, which is very, very important. Okay. Then you must know after understanding what is folder structure, you will know like what is module, what is component, what are like package.json file, what is everything like, okay, from scratch I will teach you. Then what is modules, okay, components, then component to component communication. Okay, then services. By using services, like we can send data, like we can do HTTP request from database. Like we are doing, sending request to backend technology. In services, we'll do HTTP request. Okay, we'll have pipes. Okay, we have like interceptor. Okay, we have RxJS library. Okay, what is subject behavior subject? Like TypeScript.
Do we need TypeScript for Angular also?
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it is a hard, right? Without TypeScript, you cannot do. TypeScript, JavaScripts are same for your kind of information. You
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
need that
Almost
proof like,
similar.
yeah,
Yeah.
almost similar. If you know JavaScript, then you can play. Okay. Or else
Yeah.
if you know Java already, right? So you can play with this. You know how to declare a method. Okay. Declaration of
Yeah.
method, how to call the method, and how to
Yeah.
declare variable inside method. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What is class? You know all those things, right?
Yeah.
So just if you look into the class for like one or two class, if you see, like you will understand what is that.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So these are the basic building blocks. Like if you know this, like you can uh folder structure component folder. Okay. If you know this, like you can create CRUD operation project with mock data.
Yeah, like Mongo or something, right?
Mock data means like you will have one JSON data. Okay. Like you can give one npm install JSON server, then it will install your mock data. With that mock data, you can, create CRUD operation project. No, I
Okay.
want to communicate with Node.js. Then you need to, uh, you need to have Node.js application knowledge, Node.js knowledge.
Okay. Do
Okay.
you teach Node.js also?
Yeah, Node.js. Yeah, already completed one batch recently.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Yeah. So Node.js, like even in this, like you need to understand what is Node.js. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
Node.js architecture.
Okay.
Okay. Then in this, like what is package.json file?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is very important. So in this package.json file, we will add the dependencies and dev dependencies. Okay, this is very important. So from here,
All
the
that.
actual movie will start of Node.js.
Okay.
Okay, what is Node.js package.json file? Then we will understand like what we call, yeah, Node.js, how to create HTTP server, basic HTTP server. Okay, then Express framework. Then deeply understand of an express, like we will understand deeply about Express framework. What is that? Okay, then we will
Okay.
understand about middlewares. Then
Mm-hmm.
routes. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then we will understand about MongoDB.
Mm.
Then with that MongoDB, we'll do CRUD operation. Like we'll connect with database and we'll do CRUD operation. Okay, then
Okay.
we'll understand Mongoose.
That's
Okay,
for
again we'll
testing,
do CRUD
right?
operation. No, this is all about Mongoose, MongoDB are to connect with database.
Okay. Okay.
All about database. This one MongoDB. Okay.
Okay.
Mongoose is the latest feature. Like it is it is best to communicate with the database. Than MongoDB, Mongoose is best. It
Okay.
reduces the code. Okay, it reduces the code.
Okay.
Yeah, and we will understand node mailer to send the mails to Gmail through Node.js. Then express session, JWT token. You have idea about
Yeah.
JWT token, right? How to
Yeah.
create
Yeah.
token, how to verify
Yeah.
token.
Yeah.
This is very, very important for login authentication purpose we use.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then yeah, these concepts are enough.
Okay.
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 So this is all about like Angular. This is all about Node. If you know these things, like you can communicate directly. You can design one CRUD operation project. Okay, and you
Mhm.
can communicate with Node.js. You can perform CRUD operation project, and you can do login authentication. You can create token. You can verify the token. So you can. So I eventually I will teach you how to design one CRUD operation project
Okay.
plus login authentication.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so like my application is under process. My application, I don't want to specify that name. Okay, because it is confidential. So it's going on and it is under development. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
planning to deploy that project to GCP, Google Cloud Platform,
Okay.
Google Cloud Platform. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you are also planning to deploy that application, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So this is all about what I will teach in Angular and
Okay.
Node.js. So which one
So
you're planning to learn both the things or like how? Can you tell me?
yeah, they both go hand in hand, right? I know uh, Angular, I want to be a full stack. That's why I wanted to learn Angular or React. But Node.js also, it's a common thing that they're asking. So do the classes, if I am willing to take, how do you take the classes on the same day, parallelly, or how do you, and
Yeah,
how
like
long is each class?
see, class will be 45 to 50 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
not more than 50 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Moreover, like if you're like if you have any doubts, anything like to clarify that it will take 1 hour.
Okay.
Because
Got it.
I am busy with another other works also, right? Yeah. So Teja, first you decide like which framework you are willing to learn because you must decide first of all in your brain. Okay,
Yeah.
React or Angular. If you are confirmed to
Mm-hmm.
learn Angular, then just go, don't without any doubt you learn Angular. If you're in conclusion, if you're in dilemma that you want to learn React or Angular in market, React is running, it is booming in the market. If you have that doubt, then again you will be stuck in Angular. While learning Angular, you will be stuck. That should
True.
not be there. Okay, you should have clarity. Either
Yeah.
React
Yeah.
or Angular.
Okay. And
Okay.
I have one more question. After your sessions, end of the class, do you give us any work or something like that?
Yeah, sure. After each concept,
Some
like I will give
activities.
you
Do you
after
do
each
that in your classes right now?
sure. After each and
Because
every
I want to
concept.
be hands on. You know.
Yeah, after
So,
each and every concept, like I will give you task. You should complete it. If you do, then you will learn hands-on. You will have hands-on practice. Otherwise, like you will be lagged. You will be
okay.
lagging in
Okay.
every concept. Okay, you should whatever I will give every task for every concept. Like I will give you task assignment. You should do it. And in the next session, you should ask me doubts. If you are following the same rules, then you will be expert.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, you
Yeah.
understand,
Got it.
right?
Got it.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
both
I'm listening.
that will be followed for both Angular and Node.js.
Okay. So
Okay.
these two are separate classes, right?
Yeah, these are separate. This is for backend, this is for front end.
Mm.
Node.js is for
Okay.
backend.
They're using Node.js with Java as well. Do you know that? Or
Yeah,
do
it's
you know that?
like part of application they are using, right? For part of
Mm.
application. That.
Yeah. They want Java developer with Node.js. Do
Yeah,
you know that?
if you know backend like Node.js, then you can play with backend, how to integrate backend Node.js with Java, how to do it. You can play, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But you should know how to design one. You should see see, learning these concepts is different. After learning this concept, if you know how to design CRUD operation, if you know how to design APIs for CRUD operation login authentication, that means you know Node.js.
Mm.
You're up to the mark. Just if you know the theory concepts, that is not up to the mark. You must know how to design APIs for CRUD operation and login authentication. Real time, I'm saying,
Okay.
with Mongoose.
Yeah.
So if you
Got it.
know this, then you can keep experience up to 1.5 to 2 years.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So which you're planning to learn, like Angular or Node.js or both?
Node.js for sure, because
Okay.
that's compulsory. Angular or React, I have to decide.
Yeah, you decide.
How
Okay.
long will Node.js take? Is there any batch running
See,
already, or
see, Node.js will take 30 to 35 days. If you are performing well, like whatever assignments I'm giving, if you are doing
mm,
time to time, that you can complete 30 to 35 days,
uh-huh,
1 month.
1 month?
If you are
Okay,
joining class regularly, if you're doing tasks in time, and if you're clarifying in a time, within time, if you're
okay,
clarifying everything, then with 35 days it will take. You can complete 30
okay,
days, 1 month
okay.
you can take. Okay, around figure.
1 month. Okay, okay. Got it. I'll take Node.js for sure, but
Yeah.
yeah, I'll talk to
Yeah, see,
the.
one thing you decide, if you are selecting Node.js, then please provide the timing for sir. Okay, then I will decide like about the timing and all.
Okay. If you have any class going on, I can check the recordings of the before class and do that also.
Sorry, like I did not use Zoom meeting. Otherwise, I used to record it. Directly I have given the class. I have given the notes for that person.
Not for this, not for this.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you are already taken any Node.js sessions are already going on for someone else.
No, only one batch I have completed. I have taken class on Google Meet where I won't have option to record it.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah,
okay.
that's what. Yeah,
That's fine. Yeah,
yeah.
got it.
So like now, if you want like Node.js demo, I will give you right now. Like just this is was introduction about that, like backend and Angular. I did not give
Yeah,
intro demo for Node.js. So which one you are
yeah.
looking now?
Node.js first.
No.
Node.js I'll take anyways. Like if
Okay.
I
Very good.
interested.
Okay. Okay.
The,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
But
So now can
Angular
I?
or React, I'll
uh,
get back.
Okay. Can I tell about Node.js now?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sure.
Why is it? Why did it become so popular?
Node.js, right?
Yeah, it's like a JRE only, right? Java Runtime Environment.
Yeah,
What
because
is
like
so
now
special about it?
yeah, special is like they use event-driven non-blocking input-output model. And
Even
mainly we use this Node.js for streaming, like cricket, like live cricket match or live news streaming they will do, right? Live streaming
Mhm.
for chat
Mm,
apps, for audio chats, video chats, file upload for that purpose. So like we have, okay, I will start, then you will understand like what's happening.
yeah. Which company developed this Node.js?
This was developed by Randall, okay, in 2009, May 27, 2009. Okay,
Okay,
this is separate. This was not developed by Google or anything. Like Randall was the founder for this.
okay, good.
Okay, so Node.js is a powerful runtime environment.
Mm.
Okay, up to here you understood this point. You understood, right? So this is
Yeah,
not a language. This is a Node.js contains V8 engine. It is just an environment where it will allow JavaScript code to run and it will execute it.
okay. That's it.
Okay,
It's
it
not.
allows, yeah, yeah. It allows developer to run JavaScript code, okay, outside of the browser. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Yeah, yeah.
Outside of the browser.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will tell you this line. I will explain you. Node.js is a powerful runtime environment. It is just an environment. Okay.
Okay.
So this is Node.js environment. Okay. It contains V8 engine. Okay. This V8 engine is like a compiler. Okay.
Okay.
So it will execute, this V8 engine will execute JavaScript code and it will convert it into machine level language or machine code, we can say.
Okay.
You
It will
understood?
convert uh, Node.js code into JavaScript language and then to machine code.
Yeah, yeah. No, no. Node.js is just an environment. It is a place where you can write your JavaScript code. Up to here, you
Okay.
understand, right?
And it gets converted to a machine
Yeah.
code. So,
How it is
it acts
converting?
as
How
a
Node.js is converting to machine level language by using V8 engine.
V8 engine. Okay.
Up to
Internals.
here,
Okay.
you understood, right? Or you have
Yeah, yeah.
doubt?
No.
That is the main thing. But people think like, "Arey, Node.js is a language." No, Node, it's wrong. Okay, Node.js is just an environment which contains V8 engine. This V8 engine is found under like Google Chrome. We have Chrome engine,
Okay.
right? Chrome browser.
Yeah. It's an extension, right?
Yeah, Chrome browser, like it contains V8 engine.
Yeah.
Okay, so the same engine is used in Node.js. That's why we are saying it is executed. See here, I'm saying 1 second. See, it allows developer to run JavaScript code outside of a browser. We are not running this code inside browser, outside of a browser, which means inside Node.js.
Oh, okay.
You understood this point, right? If you are
Yes, yes.
any
I
doubt, you can ask
understood.
me again.
Outside of the browser. But
Outside of a
Google
browser means
Chrome
we are not
also
run.
uses uh, V8 engine only.
Yeah, yeah,
But Node.js V8 engine is different,
yeah. Slightly different
slightly different.
because
Okay.
in that Node.js we cannot access JavaScript like elements, like DOM elements. But in browser
Mhm.
we can access DOM elements.
Yes.
Okay. For example, I will show you here.
Then why did, if it's not able to execute DOM elements, what's the purpose? Why is it?
Yeah, there is no need, like only we want backend, right? If you want like
Okay.
anything, like we can use JavaScript, Angular, we will be able to access. For DOM element, if you want to access, it is all about front end part, right? Now see,
Yeah.
for example, alert. This is okay. I'm writing here. I'm getting pop-up right here.
Mm.
Okay. But the same thing we won't get in Angular. Sorry, in we won't get in Node.js. That V8 engine is different slightly. That V engine is designed for, to execute JavaScript code into machine level language to generate APIs. Okay, for
Okay.
specific things like
Internal
it is
to
designed.
it should be deployed in a different server, not on a browser, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Like because we have some microservices or something and which has Tomcat web server
Yeah, yeah,
and the Node.js will be executed there. No.
yeah. See, we have Node.js server. Okay, in that like we that Node.js will be executed. It will use one node.exe file. We have
Okay. Okay.
node.exe file. This
Mhm.
node.exe file will be responsible to convert your JavaScript code into machine level language.
Okay. And it will be in our application APIs, microservices,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
2009 by Randall.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I
Okay.
just asked.
And was Node.js initial release
Mm-hmm.
0.1.0 in the year May 27th, 2009. Okay. And this
Yeah.
was supported, this release was supported for only Linux and Mac. You're able to understand up to here. If you
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
doubt, ask me.
Yeah.
Okay,
Go ahead.
so the
Yeah.
first release was 0.1.0 in the 2009, May 27th it was released. This was supported for only Linux and Mac. Later
Mm-hmm.
on, later release, okay, 0.6.0, okay,
Mm-hmm.
it was released in, okay, directly I will write, okay, November 2011, okay,
Mm-hmm.
it was supported for Linux, Mac, Windows. Up to here you have doubt?
No, 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 no. Go ahead.
Okay, right. This is all about like Node.js introduction, like when it was released, who was the founder, okay, year and everything, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Node.js use V8 engine
Mm-hmm.
to convert JavaScript code into machine code, okay. So this V8 engine is written in C++ language, okay.
Oh,
And
okay.
Node.js, yeah, up to here you are okay, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good.
Yeah. So Node.js, like here up to here, like I have given introduction. Now Node.js is used to develop backend APIs, backend APIs for desktop applications, okay, web
Oh,
application,
it's not for used for web. Okay, web applications also.
mobile applications. I'm designing mobile application only. Now I told you, right? I'm
Oh,
developing one application, web
okay,
application,
okay. Native.
mobile application.
Okay.
Okay. So Node.js uses event driven. This concept, like I will teach when I'm telling about Node.js architecture, then you will understand what is this event driven non-blocking input mode model. Okay, just I'm highlighting this point. Event
Mm-hmm.
driven non-blocking input output model.
Okay, you said about this, right? Uses
Yeah,
inventory
Node.js
non-block.
uses event driven non-blocking input output model. Here I can give comma. Okay, up to here you are okay, right?
Yeah.
By using Node.js, we can design chat apps, video chat application, audio chat for stream, for file upload and streaming, live streaming. Okay. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of using Node.js? Okay. So I'm highlighting this point, right? So like Java is also like it is used for, it is also best technology for handling, but Node.js it is used nowadays it is getting popular. Okay. Because if you search in Google or ChatGPT, you will get to know like which is the best language, which is the best language means JavaScript you will get, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it takes less time to handle multiple connections.
Node.js.
Node.js. Okay. For example, you have 100
It's
API.
lightweight. That's why it's
Yeah.
Node.js competitors are
Sorry.
what? What are the competi? What is the competitor of? What are the competitors for Node.js?
In the sense, like I did not understand.
Oh, did Node.js replace something like Angular replaced React?
No, 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 no.
React
Just no,
like
no.
that.
No, no, they did not replace like that.
Okay.
Node.js is used by NASA. Not entirely, NASA people are not using entirely Node.js. They are using for some part. Okay.
Mm.
For example, chat for one-to-one chat, for a video chat or audio chat, or like file upload. Okay. Or to for file input output operation. Okay. To get the data from the database for some part of the application they are using. NASA,
The
Uber.
security is good with Node.js. That's why, because it doesn't run on a browser.
Yeah, yeah.
Could have been, right?
Yes, yes. NASA, Uber, LinkedIn. Okay, GoDaddy, Netflix. Okay, so these people are using this what we call Node.js.
Okay.
You understood, right?
Yeah.
Now benefits, like we have efficiency. Okay, efficiency means like it uses less memory to handle multiple connections. That's why we are using this Node.js to handle multiple requests, to handle multiple connections. Okay, we have scalability. It handle multiple connections simultaneously at a time. You understood, right? And speed.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Got it. It's
It
lightweight, basically.
it requests quickly. Yeah, it is lightweight. Very good. It requests quickly and reduce the response time. Up to here, you're clear or you have doubt.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm clear.
Okay. So because of these features, because of these benefits, people are using this Node.js for some part of application, and some people are using for whole application. I'm using for whole application Node.js because
Okay.
it's lightweight. Okay, but Java is little bit heavy, right? Than Node.js.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah. So that's why people are
Because
using for some
mobile,
part. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
For for payment, those things they are using Java, and for some other things like which are taking lot of time. Okay, to handle multiple questions, they are using Node.js. What I
Okay.
observed. Okay, and
Okay.
install this Node.js. Like we have official website
Mm-hmm.
nodejs.org. Okay,
Okay.
if you visit this nodejs.org, nodejs.org. Okay, this is the official website. Okay, nodejs.org. And you should after visiting the website, you should click on download. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
click on download option. Okay, then click on pre-built installer, pre-built installer option. See here, pre-built installer option. Then from here you need to select like which version you want to select.
Okay.
The LTS
What is
means long term
package
support.
manager and all? Even we did package manager also, right?
Yes, yes.
We tell that in the class?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Node package npm. Like by using node npm command line interface, we can install libraries, packages, whatever required. Okay. So
Oh,
whenever we install Node.js, by default, it will install npm Node Package Manager, which contains the all libraries, packages, everything.
okay.
There is nothing to do
NPM
in
means
that,
Node
like,
Package Manager.
yeah, which contains whole libraries which are required to run your Node.js application.
Okay.
Okay, and additionally, you can install libraries by using npm command. Okay, see here, if you need to select pre-built installer option, then from here
Mhm.
drop down, you need to click here, and here you have current. Current means like it is under development. It is a
Yeah.
23.1.0. It is the latest version.
We'll always take the
Okay.
long-term support.
We need to select long-term support (LTS).
Yeah.
Okay, long-term support. And
Yeah.
you're using Mac or Linux or Windows, you need to select Windows. Then which
Mhm.
Windows operate, like what is your 64-bit, or what is which you're running, 64 or 86, or which one? Then you need to select 64, or as per your uh, computer configuration.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, if you type here, leave about that. Okay, then you click on node download option. Okay,
Okay.
now
Got it.
then
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
.exe file will be installed. You need to set up, like if you click install, then you know how to set up that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I
I
will
know
show you.
all that.
Once you
That's
install,
fine.
then I will show you. If you share your screen, I will show you like how to do it.
Okay. We'll
Okay.
do it in our class then. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And after that, in next class, I will teach you like
Mhm.
what are different type of editors we use,
Okay.
and we have
VS Atom,
extensions.
right? Sublime.
Sorry.
VS Atom and Sublime, right?
Yeah, we have different type of editors, like small, like I will give introduction about that. Like we have editors like Sublime Text. Okay, I'm giving a line by line. Sublime Text. We
Mm-hmm.
have VS Code, which is publicly available, free. Okay, it is open source. VS Code, it is free. We have
Yeah.
Visual Studio Code. It is commercial. Visual Studio Code. It is
Mm-hmm.
paid.
Right.
Okay, we
Yeah.
have WebStorm. It is also paid.
WebStorm. Uh-huh. Usually companies use VS Code, right?
Yeah, VS Code. But some Microsoft high-end companies, like if they are need something like extraordinary, which has high intelligence, then they are preferring Visual Studio Code. Okay, it
Okay.
is a paid one. They
Okay.
need to
Okay.
pay amount.
Yeah.
VS Code is it is best, right? Like I was working in ICICI Bank for 1.5 year. I was using VS Code only. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
VS Code is good.
Yeah.
Most of
Yeah.
the people use.
Even we used
Yeah,
VS Code only.
yeah.
I
Visual Studio
was.
Code, like I
Yeah.
don't know, like I did not use this, but it is paid one. It is commercial.
Mm-hmm.
Like some companies use this.
Okay. Got it.
WebStorm, like we have Notepad plus plus.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is all about editors. Like we use VS Code, which is free.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and we have different type of extensions, and we'll tomorrow class we'll see editors extensions, like, and after that, like we'll see like different type of comments we use. Then after that, like
Mm-hmm.
I will start how to install Node.js, everything. I will how to set up environment variables. Okay, system environment variables. Then we will start, I will tell you about Node.js architecture. Then in third class, I will tell you what how to create package.json file. From there, real movie will start. Real movie.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Node.js architecture, you will be in theoretical. Okay. But
Mm.
from package.json file, you need to start doing hands-on. Okay. I will give you task.
Okay.
So
Sure.
up to here, you're okay. You have any doubt?
No, I'm good with it. It was
You are
nice.
understanding clearly, right? Or you're stuck
Yes.
in anywhere.
No.
Okay. So what I will do, Tija, I will create one repository in GitHub. You are familiar with the GitHub, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I will create one repository in GitHub. I will push this code. I will whatever I'm writing here, whatever folders I'm creating files, that for every each and every class, I will represent with first, second class like that, and I will push to GitHub. And you need to take pull. I will teach you.
Yeah.
I will tell you how to take it. Everything. Okay, no need to bother
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
So from each
Yeah.
and everything, I will do spoon feeding. what we call spoon feed. Okay. So just
Yeah.
whatever I'm telling you
I'm
to, yeah, whatever I'm
I'm
telling you to do, you need to do it so that you will
12 years
understand.
experienced in Java. So
You
yeah,
have
I
12
I
years.
know that that's okay. But
Okay,
if you're
that's great.
continuing for others, yes. But I
That's great.
appreciate it. Thank you.
That's great. That's great. So it's my job
Yeah.
to explain you from the root, okay, what's happening.
Yes, yes,
Then only you will
yes.
understand everything, right? Yeah, yeah.
True, true, true. I 100% agree with what you said. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Then we'll connect in the next class.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you.
Thank
Angular also, if I'm planning to take, you have a batch already running, or is it going to be a new
No, no,
batch?
currently I'm not because I have schedule I have schedule you know,
Okay.
my schedule is very busy.
Okay.
So
You'll
I'm planning
start
to,
new batch for both Node.js and Angular.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, I was
Okay.
planning to give only Node.js, but Sar has requested me. That's why like I'm giving Angular also. Okay.
Okay. How long will Angular take?
It takes like see what like see it will take some little bit more time because you are
Yes.
learning Node.js as well as parallelly Angular, right? So you need to
Mm,
focus on both the things. So it may take long time.
okay. No, I'm asking about how many classes. Like
Yeah,
Node.js
it
will
will
be
take
35 days.
it will take more, yeah, 35 to 40 days. 30 to 35 days you can take.
Okay, but I thought Angular was big, like huge. No?
Yeah, yeah. See, it is depend on like see, I will teach you CRUD operation and plus login authentication and all the concepts. Okay. If you're
Mm.
coming to class regularly, then it will complete fast. But if you're like coming alternate days or like there is some lot of gap, then it will take more than 3 months also.
Yeah, got it. Got
You got
it.
it, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And how often do you take the classes? Like 5 days a week, or how
Uh,
often?
no, 6 days. Sunday will be holiday. Saturday also will take.
Okay, okay, okay. Will this time work for you? Today's time?
Yeah, it will be. Yeah, it will be suitable for me because from morning class, like yeah, because from 11 o'clock as per IST India Standard Time, then I will be busy. So yeah, this time is suitable. You're okay, right, with this time?
Yeah, yeah. I'm okay with this time. We already have daylight savings, right? So
Yeah.
I'm good
So
with this time.
as per Node.js and Angular, you won't be having any doubts. You will be having total hands-on experience. Okay.
Yeah.
But once one thing you decide, I'm giving you one advice. React and Angular both are booming, but you decide which one you want to learn. After coming to Angular, if your mind is going to React, then I can't do anything, right? So you should
Yes.
decide first in your brain.
Okay, yeah, I got
Okay.
it. That's the one part I'm not able to decide because they're
Yeah, yeah.
asking full stack with both Angular and this thing. Mainly Node.js is compulsory for everything. That's what I have seen,
So
right?
Node.js, immediately you start Node.js so that you will
Yeah,
cover
yeah,
concepts
Node.js
fast, fast.
start
Yeah.
immediately. I won't delay there. But Angular or React also have to take a decision because by December I have to be prepared. Like,
Okay, okay. Then
yeah,
you decide, you discuss with your colleagues or with your senior developers, SD. Then you decide like which one is best, and you decide for front-end framework. Okay. Then Node.js, like you are clear, right? With Node.js.
yeah, yeah. Node.js, I'm clear. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
హలో
Yes. Hello, sir.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇంకొకళ్ళు ఎవరో జాయిన్ అయినట్టున్నారు సార్
ఇంకొన్నారా?
ఇంకొకళ్ళు ఎవరో ఉన్నారు మాట్లాడటలేదు వాళ్ళు
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
వెళ్ళిపోయారు వెళ్ళిపోయారు
ఓకే.
సార్
ఆహా.
ఓకే సార్ ఇంకొకటి
ఎస్ సార్.
మనకి ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్ మనకి ట్రైనింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పగలుగుతారా తెలుగు
తెలుగులో చెప్తా సార్. ఆమె లైక్ షీఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ అమెరికా, రైట్? సో దట్స్ వై ఐ టోల్డ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్.
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే
తెలుగులో చెప్పమంటే తెలుగులో చెప్తా, ఇంగ్లీష్ చెప్పమంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ చెప్తా. రెండు కూడా వస్తాయి మనకు. ఓకేనా?
తేజ గారు
Yeah,
సార్.
yeah, yeah. I just
సో
joined. Yeah.
నేను మీరు మీరు ఆలోచించుకుని చెప్పండి యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే కొద్దిగా ప్రమోషన్ చేసి డెమోని మీకు తెలుగైనా ఓకేనా మేడం తేజు?
యా తెలుగైనా ఓకేనండి.
So
సో
you are basically from Telugu, right? Telugu
Yes.
community. Okay, then
Yeah.
okay. Any language I am familiar. Okay, if you are telling English, then I will tell you in English. Otherwise, Telugu.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. సో యా నేను మీకు చెప్తానండి. సో ఈ టైమింగ్స్ అయితే ఓకే కదా? ఈ టైమింగ్స్
Okay అండి. ఈ టైమింగ్స్ ఓకే.
ఫైన్. అయితే నేను మీకు జస్ట్ యాంగులర్ ఇది నేను మాట్లాడి చెప్తానండి. Okay.
మాట్లాడుకోండి మీ సీనియర్ డెవలపర్స్తో మాట్లాడండి. ఎందుకంటే అది టైం ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకేనా? టైమ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ప్రిషియస్. సో యూ డిసైడ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ.
యా
దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ టు సర్. దెన్ వీ విల్ స్టార్ట్. ఓకే. యా. డోంట్
యాంగులర్
ఫీల్
అంటే
కన్ఫ్యూజన్.
టైప్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఖచ్చితంగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. బట్ రియాక్ట్
ఇదిగోండి రియాక్ట్, యాంగులర్ ఏదైనా మీరు నేర్చుకుంటే జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ వస్తే మీకు టైప్ స్క్రిప్ట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అంతే, ఏముండదు దాంట్లో. జస్ట్
జావా
స్లైట్
స్క్రిప్ట్
డిఫరెన్స్
లాంగ్
ఉంటుంది.
టైం బ్యాక్ చేసాము. ఇప్పుడైతే అసలు టచ్ చేయలేము. ఓన్లీ స్ప్రింగ్ బూట్ మైక్రో సర్వీసెస్ వర్క్ చేస్తాము.
ఇదిగోండి జావా స్క్రిప్ట్, టైప్ స్క్రిప్ట్ సేమ్, బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. నాకు నో డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ దర్. వాట్ ఈస్ టెల్ యూ, స్లైట్లీ డిఫరెన్స్
Okay.
ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. ఏముండదు, మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజన్లో ఉండకండి. బట్ యూ డిసైడ్ రియాక్ట్. బోత్ ఆర్ బూమింగ్ ఇన్ మార్కెట్. ఐమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ అగైన్, బోత్ ఆర్ మూవింగ్ ఇన్ మార్కెట్. బట్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ సేయింగ్ రియాక్ట్ అని చెప్తున్నారు కొంతమంది. అయితే ఒకసారి అడిగి మీరు క్లారిటీ తెచ్చుకొని చెప్పండి, మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాం. లేదంటే
ఓకే.
నోట్ చేసి ఒకటి చదువుకోండి, అయిపోతుంది.
లేదు, నాకు ఫుల్ స్టాక్‌కి కంపల్సరీగా యాంగులర్, రియాక్ట్ విత్ నోడ్.జేఎస్ కావాలి.
ఓకే. అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు క్లారిటీగా ఎవెన్చువల్లీ యూ కమ్ టు ద కంక్లూజన్ దట్ యూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ రియాక్ట్ అండ్ నోట్ చేస్తే వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ?
వాట్ నాకు మీ క్వెషన్ అర్థం కాలేదండి.
వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్, నౌ యూ కమ్ టు ది కంక్లూజన్, క్లియర్ కంక్లూజన్ వచ్చేసింది మీకు. యూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ రియాక్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్. ఓకే.
యాహ్!
అండ్ రియాక్ట్ నోట్ చేస్తారు, రెండు మీకు కావాలి, రైట్? అప్పుడు ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్లో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు అంటున్నా?
నోడ్.జేఎస్ మీ దగ్గర నేర్చుకొని
ఓకే.
రియాక్ట్
రియాక్ట్ వేరే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నేర్చుకుంటారా?
మరి లైక్
ఓకే.
అంటే మీరు ఇంకేమైనా సజెషన్ ఉందా? లైక్ ఏంటి అని? యాంగులర్ నేను పికప్ చేయగలనా లేదా అన్నది మెయిన్ క్వెషన్ నాకు.
కొంతమంది ఏమంటారంటే లైక్ రియాక్ట్ అనేది జల్దీ నేర్చుకుంటారని అంటారు. కానీ ఐ హావ్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ లైక్ దేర్ ఆర్ మెనీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఇన్ రియాక్ట్ తేజ. మెనీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి రియాక్ట్‌లో. కానీ ఓకే, ఇట్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. ఐ కాంట్ టెల్ యూ దట్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ యాంగులర్.
నేను రియాక్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ ఆహ్, ఆన్‌లైన్ ఉడెమీ ఉంటాయి కదా! నేను ఆల్రెడీ సెషన్ చేశాను లాంగ్ టైమ్ బ్యాక్. ఇంటర్‌వ్యూస్ ట్రై చేశాను. అప్పుడు వర్క్ చేశాను. కానీ నాట్ ఇంటూ ఇట్. ఇట్స్ బీన్ 5 ఇయర్స్ దట్ ఐ వర్క్డ్ దేర్.
ఓకే. అయితే మీరు
సో, యాంగులర్ కూడా ఎక్కువ అడుగుతున్నారు. నోడ్.జేఎస్ ఇస్ కంపల్సరీ. లైక్ జావా బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ అంటే
అయితే
నోడ్.జేఎస్ లేకుండా
మీరు
అసలు
ఎక్కడైతే వర్క్
ప్రొఫైల్
చేస్తున్నారు
లేదు.
కదా, ఏదైతే కంపెనీలో వర్క్ స్పేస్‌లో మీరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అక్కడ మీరు జస్ట్ యూ డిస్కస్ విత్ ఎ మేనేజర్. ఓకే. బికాజ్ దేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్
ఇక్కడ
ఇంపార్టెంట్.
అలాంటివేమి చెప్పరు అండి.
చెప్పారా?
సీనియర్ రిసోర్స్ కదా! వి
Then
హావ్
who
టు
are
టేక్ ద
asking you to
డెసిషన్.
who are asking you to learn React or
ఇప్పుడు
Angular?
నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇదయ్యేలా ఉంది. సో, మాకొచ్చే
అచ్చా!
ఓపెనింగ్స్ అన్నీ ఇట్లా ఉన్నాయి. మార్కెట్ చాలా డౌన్ ఉంది కదా! లైక్
అవునవును.
బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్
యాహ్!
సో, మేము సో, ఐ వాంట్ టు యుటిలైజ్ దిస్. ఈ టైంలో మాకు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ వస్తాయో లేదో కూడా కొంచెం ఇది అన్నమాట. సో, ఐ
ఓకే.
వాంట్ టు క్విక్‌లీ ర్యాప్ ఇట్ అప్ అన్నమాట.
ఓకే. Then you do one thing, you
అట్‌లీస్ట్
go to
నేను
ChatGPT.
ఇంటర్‌వ్యూస్ అటెండ్ అయితే
Hmm.
నాకు నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఆ క్వెషన్స్ కూడా అడగగలను. రైట్? లైక్
Yes. Correct.
లైక్ ఐ కెన్ జస్ట్ గెట్ ఇట్ ఓవర్ విత్ ఇట్ అక్కడికి.
Yes. Yeah.
ఇంకా
See,
ఫ్యూచర్ వర్క్ చేస్తే ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఐ విల్ లెర్న్.
మీకు
అదర్‌వైజ్
ఫర్
మళ్ళీ
ఎవ్రీ క్లాస్‌లో మీకు చెప్తాను ఈ క్వెషన్స్ వాళ్ళు అడుగుతారనేసి. ఓకేనా? మీకు క్లారిటీ
ఓకే.
వచ్చేస్తది. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ విత్ డెడికేషన్, దెన్ యూ విల్ బి బూమింగ్ ఇన్ నోడ్.js. యూ విల్ బికమ్ బెస్ట్
యాహ్!
డెవలపర్ ఇన్ నోడ్.js. ఓకే. ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్
యాహ్!
యూ. ఐ విల్ గివ్ మై 100% ఎఫర్ట్. బట్ ద థింగ్ ఈస్ యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్.
యాహ్!
And
షూర్.
Teja, one thing I will give you advice. If you're stuck, like which one you want to select, then you can do research on ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, uh, do research and go to the documentation, Google search engine. Ask there, like you can see their Quora. You can go through that అండ్ యూ కెన్ స్పీక్ విత్ యర్ కొలీగ్స్ ఎవ్రీవన్. అండ్ మొత్తం మీకు క్లియర్ కంక్లూజన్ వచ్చేంత వరకు మీరు రీసెర్చ్ చేయండి 2 days వరకు. దెన్ యూ కమ్ టు ద కంక్లూజన్. ఓకే.
Yeah, sure. Half of them are saying React, half of them are saying Idi. I've been researching since a while actually. So yeah.
See, you
but
have one thing, one advantage is React wala. నేను ఒకటి చెప్తున్నా. I am passionate about Angular, but I'm telling you one thing. React.js, React Native రెండు ఉన్నాయి.
అవును.
రెండు ఉన్నాయి. రియాక్ట్ నేటివ్ అంటే మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చు.
True. Yeah, I know.
React.js అంటే వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్స్.
Yeah.
ఓకేనా? సో యూ హ్యావ్ దిస్
Angular
అడ్వాంటేజ్.
కల లేదా?
యాంగులర్ కి మీరు వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ డిజైన్ చేయొచ్చు. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ బూట్ స్ట్రాప్ ఎనీ లైబ్రరీ, సిఎస్ఎస్ లైబ్రరీ. యూ కెన్ డిజైన్ రెస్పాన్సివ్ వెబ్ డిజైన్. రియాక్ట్ లో కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. కానీ రియాక్ట్ లో ఎట్లయితే ఫీచర్ ఉందో సపరేట్ యూ హ్యావ్ వన్ ఫ్రేమ్ వర్క్, రైట్? రియాక్ట్ నేటివ్ అలా యాంగులర్ లో లేదు.
ఓహో, సో యాంగులర్ తో డెస్క్టాప్
యూ కెన్ డిజైన్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్. సో
web application and mobile applications as well.
Yeah, mobile application also you can design with Angular, but most of the people are looking for React because it takes less time to learn and it takes less time to develop your application. And
లర్నింగ్ కర్వ్ చాలా తక్కువ
ఉందంట అని అంటున్నారు. But I did not learn React. I did not go for it. I have knowledge about Angular, so and I love Angular. I'm passionate about Angular. With passion, I have learned that. Okay. So you decide which one you want to learn. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you. I appreciate your advice. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
I'm leaving అండి, నేను మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.